Okay, just getting back from a movie, The Chosen. So had it with my small group, so that's why I'm late. I'm kind of late. Okay, we see the opening. It's supposed to be ending in 1 minute, so you can see what's going on here in terms of the IB right below here in the 5 minute chart right below. So also below the 55 as well as the 233 on the 5 minute. So let's see what's going on here. We're at the VWAP right now. Just me trying to test that. Let's see. Let's see a reversal here to finish this and get a reversal up. Hey, John. There we are. Already formed. There's your 1.25, which is up here. So it's not that much. We don't really we didn't have any much movement on the opening. I guess really tight. We're not passing the VWAP. It seems like here we're not passing the -2 deviation. So it's really quite tight. It may even come back down. It's bouncing off the VWAP, but we're still above the zero line. So we'll see. Let's see what the 5 minute looks like. Yeah, it seems like it's coming down, but you know what? It's above the EMA, so let's see what's going to do there. I gotta look for my phone. This may come down and test again back down here. I don't want to take this short because it's going to bounce off here because right now it's above the zero line. Let's get something. So we may not get. It's pretty. There's hardly any movement here. So we'll see what happens. Here we go. We want to see a reversal bar before we take that, right? Ah, that's why. So I guess what time is that? Let me look at my thing here. That's why there's no movement. In 3 hours, let me see what that is. So that's going to be 1:30 in the morning here. So I guess we aren't going to have a move. That's why I might just have this as, yeah, leave it there. 25. We can get a reversal bar. So at 1:30 Eastern, 1:30 a.m. here in the Philippines. Oh, there's a reversal. But again, let's see what's going to happen here. We're going to have enough momentum to break. I'll take that.
Order filled.
Ah, hopefully it doesn't stop me out here. Definitely no momentum. We might even have a double top right there. Again, we're well ahead up above the zero line here. I don't well. You can try to test that mid band. Right there's the mid section of the IB. Not much of a range. Nah. See, you can bounce up here. Bad entry altogether. Bad entry. Yeah. Well, not as bad as yesterday. Yesterday was really bad. It was obviously it's being manipulated by the algo traders, algo trade machines. But that, yeah, exactly. That's well, it's rebounding off the VWAP. So it created a lower high there. Created a lower high, created a lower low. That was expected coming from the VWAP. It just bounced off the VWAP, tested almost close to the mid band. So hopefully this pops up, creates another higher high. Hopefully it goes past the VWAP here. Again, there's not that much momentum. Yesterday was really bad. Well, here, if this closes, a reversal, now you have the lower high again. It's going to create a lower low. Which I don't. Let's see what they're trying to do here. They're bouncing off the 233. Everything. You busting through that VWAP. This may go up to test that high. Let's see, maybe up to the zero point 0.5 deviation. Oh, here we go. Let me see. We can move this in time. Yeah, okay, good. There it is. They're going up that 1.25. You see how much momentum they just placed on that? Now let's see if they kill it right here, but I don't think so. They brought that up pretty fast.
Order submitted.
Yeah, we look at the distance from this last swing to the next one. They might make another swing here and bring it back up. Maybe come back to the view app and come back up. You see, they was going to try something. They had to push right through here. So let's see. We tested 233 here. Again, let's see if it's going to bounce off the 21 EMA. You have the view up there. I mean, that pullback was due. Because look at if you look at all these pullbacks, you see this? It doesn't get that far. You need to have a pullback. So creating at least it's creating higher lows. Waiting for the pop. So let's see if we get a reversal bar here. Then I can move up my stop. Man, there's just really going on nowhere. You would think they have that momentum going up, but no. Just really just dragging this out. So now I'm going to try to test the mid-band here. So it looks like the pop is down rather than up. We'll see. Now here we go. We get a lot of sellers coming in, but you see price is not moving that much. A lot of energy, but no results so far. So let's see. If I hear that coming down, I'm gonna take this off. Close it because most likely it's gonna come down now. There's our pop down.
Order filled.
Let's see if it breaks this structure right here. If it does, it may come down all the way down here to the minus 1.5. Let's see. So you got up to the upper the upper band of the Keltner channel. We may get down here to the bottom band of the Keltner. Let's see. Right around here. It still has room to move back up. Why? It's really bouncing off the 55 as well as the thing, but we're barely below the zero line on the VWAP or on the MACD. So let's see what happens here. Yeah, like I said, and that's what I should have known instead of panicking and bringing it going back out, going down. So let's end this right here. Get another 100 some loss. Let's see. We
Order filled.
should see a reversal bar. There it is, and that's where they just had a deep pullback.
Order filled.
And that was my fault. I wasn't looking at this. I didn't know it was going to be a pullback into the mid band. It's a really high probability trade entry to get up to the upside. That was my fault. Let's see if we get there. There's going to be a chop. Man, they're just going up and down. If it is, I'm going to quit. There we go. Where am I bringing this up? Maybe up to here. Like I said, the 1.25 extension. Might have to add.
Order filled.
Okay, so we created a lower high. See that? Now we're gonna definitely go for a lower low. Let's see what it bounces off here. Again, we're bouncing off the mid band. See, there's a danger again. Let's see if it does. We're still above the barely here, so let's see what happens if it crosses the zero line there. It still may have a chance to bounce up. Here you see we're having higher lows here. Let's see who's going to create another higher low. Oh man, this is just eating up. I should not have doubled up on that thing. Let's see what happens here. Yeah, see, it's trying to get up. Let's see if we can eke out this profit target up here. Let's see if we can do that. This may go. Let's see what happens. We're below the zero line, but barely. Let's see. That's enough of that. Let's see.
Order
Look at that.
filled.
I gave all back my profits. I hate them when I do that. See, now got out too soon. But we are below the zero line, not but barely. We're not even breaking this. See this? We're not even breaking that. We want to see a break. Here we go. We get some sellers coming in.
Order filled. Order submitted.
Yeah, right there. Yeah, there's no momentum in it whatsoever. Look at that. Yeah, this is just bull. I don't know what they're doing. Again, this is gonna be almost like yesterday. Create a lower low. They broke that structure, I should say. And what are they doing here? I have no idea. Oh, there's the view app. Let's see if they bounce out the view app. So now we're above the zero line. So you saw that's right. So I can just close this out. So once you get over that zero line, they're
Order
gonna start
filled.
bringing this up.
Order filled.
They're just trying to go up and down here. I might as well just get in here right there.
Order submitted. Order filled. Stop filled.
Wait, did I move a stop? Thought I did. Let me see here. Okay, here we go. I know I got stopped out. I missed.
Order
Yeah, I
filled.
must have forgot to move the stop. Well, that's okay. It's small. That's what I did. My bad.
Order submitted. Oh man, this is
This is horrendous. That's all I can. That's all I can say. They're making this range wider and wider. See this? Oh my. Yeah, that's it. I'm done. They're making it wider and wider. Now they're gonna try to bring this up. See, this is just there.
Order canceled.
This is unbelievable. Now watch them bounce off here and go back up. They're creating wider ranges here. See this? That's what they're doing. Just going in between those ranges. They make a lower low, but they, I don't know. Yeah, I think I'm gonna be done. That's it. They're gonna wait till the Powell speaks, and that's what they're gonna be doing. I don't wanna be chopped up here. I'll wait for Powell's speech. Trade after that. Hopefully, I get recoup my loss here. Okay, guys, this is not worth trading. Yep. There we reverse it now. We create another higher low. Create a higher low. 130. Yep. They just killed it right there. It's going up and down. Basic question, Jetin. Well, basically, why it created another reversal? That's why I buy. I buy at the reversal. Right here, they created a higher low, no longer creating lower highs. Right here, there's the pivot right there. But that's why you don't copy me. See now here, this has a reversal bar here. Now we got a lower high, but we actually have a lower higher low. So you can see that there's a lot of discrepancy here. There, it's just this is the algos. You can't win against the algos because it doesn't. They don't trade by market structure. They have a program that they go by. Defies logic. So they even try. It's hard to win against them because they don't trade by market structure. See, we're getting lower highs, but also we're getting higher lows. So basically, that's a wedge. So if you don't see the wedge here, let me see here. Hairline, no hairline. So here, oh no, let's do the ray. Where's the ray? Right here. Yeah, let's do the ray. From here, you see the wedge. From here, you see the wedge. Right there. There's your wedge. It's going between that and wedge right there. That's what it's doing. Yeah, I'd be sitting here knocking your head out. So there's your wedge. I'll be trading this later in the afternoon. See you guys tomorrow. You guys stay green. Hopefully, I can recoup this 1,000. Which ain't really, it's not that bad if you have a volatile market. If you have a trending market, not something like this, you can easily make it back. Okay, guys. See you guys in the London market tomorrow. Oh, here we finally broke. Let's see if we can do have a breakout here. Oh, we got some. We got some. I guess it heard me. Here we go. Yeah, now we got some.
Order filled.
Now we got some going here. But here we got a wider. Let me do this limit.
Order submitted.
Now we got momentum going. Spoke too soon.
Order filled.
There is it. There it is. See, it comes back and gets me. Oh, let's
Order
move this.
submitted.
Man, that was just a big move up. There it is. Keep on going. Where are we? 800. Okay. Well, I hit the 1.25 extension right there. Still a lot more. See if we can get 2,000.
Order canceled. Order submitted.
bouncing off the 1.5 extension. Oh man, that was just too
Order
deep.
canceled.
It usually pops up, so let's see. I gave away too much of that one because it usually pops up. I guess the pullback was kind of deep. If I want to see the pullback on here, I usually look at the. Let's see how far the pullback. Here's the Fibonacci on this run, just on this run right there. So he's getting down to the 50. Yeah, okay, yeah, that's why it's going down. I should just got out when it came right here. So it did the Fibonacci before. So it's getting down maybe the 50. May get on. It's gonna test the maybe the mid band, right? So let's wait for that. We're gonna test the 50 right here. Okay, so it's there.
Order submitted.
You know what? It was gonna hit me go up high here. I'm looking at this, the MACD. Most likely going to get down even further. It may get down to the view up. Let's see. Yeah, see?
Order, order filled.
Oh, maybe I was wrong. So look at this. While we're above the zero line. There's a reversal bar. Create a higher low.
Order filled. Order filled.
There's a continuation going up. Where did I have my thing here?
Order submitted.
Hmm. I didn't move my stop. Ugh,
Order canceled.
what happened there? I thought my payout was. This is weird. Yeah, I didn't break my any rule here. Okay, so this is basically I should have just quit right away when I was up there. So back to 947 again. This is tough. So that's it. I'm done. There's your run. They didn't even continue there. So here's your pullback. Still trying to get up there. But what they did was they came up, came back down. They try to get it back up there again. They might bounce off here at the mid band right here. I don't know. Right now, you look at this. We have momentum to the downside, but then again, we're still above the zero line. Really shallow right here. So, what time is it? 11:30. Yeah, they're gonna wait till. Okay, guys. See you. Yeah, look at this. Bounce off the 233 here in the 5 minute. But we do have a fair value gap to the upside. Is basically just coming down here. This is almost like a liquidity. What do we call it? Sweep. Liquidity sweep came back down. Now here's the. This is what we call the. What we call it? The fair value gap, and it may just bounce up. Okay, guys. See you guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow at the London session. That's it. That's it for me. Yeah, that was a good run going up, but I should have got all the way up there. And I had my first target there in the 1.5. I should have just left it there. That'd have been at least I think 1,000, right? Okay, guys. Bye. Take care. Stay safe. God bless. See you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.